First things first, attorneys inside the Catholic Church, they have disagreed on whether a bishop should have dismissed an Arlington nun from her monastery.
This case has reached civil court in Fort Worth for the first time this week. It's revealing more about what's been happening on the other side of the monastery walls.
Jason Allen reports that documents filed this week really did give a look inside the battle that's happening inside the church right now.
In a recorded conversation played in court for the first time this week, the Reverend Mother of the Carmelite Monastery in Arlington questioned Fort Worth Bishop Michael Olson when he informed her she would be losing her position.
Well, you're not prioress now, right? You're on a leave of absence.
But still prioress of the community?
No, not at all.
The nun's civil attorney had argued to keep the conversation out of evidence due to the sensitive nature of the case, with the nun accused of breaking her vow of chastity with a priest. And documents filed as part of her lawsuit against the bishop show the nun's appointed church attorney also wasn't convinced what was happening was right. This process has moved very quickly, I believe too quickly, wrote Michael Podhachki in a letter he sent to Reverend Mother Teresa Agnes Gerlach May 16th. He continued, "From what I understand at the moment, I do not believe that the accusation against you meets the necessary criteria for dismissal." Most of the legal process happening inside the church on the case has remained confidential, except for a few letters that had become part of the public court file. Olson has consistently defended his role in what's happening and testified this week that disclosing details to the public were necessary after the lawsuit was filed to inform the faithful of what was happening.
The nun's attorney, Matthew Bobo, didn't have any comment after the civil hearing this week, but told me the nuns are aware of the recording that you just heard a clip from and some of the sensitive testimony that happened. He said they firmly believe in the canonical process, the church process, and that it is a confidential one, and they still believe that the Reverend Mother is going to be exonerated through that.
Okay. It's been a story you've been following from the start, Jason. We appreciate the update. Thank you.